Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a very shame. I'm a very shame. I'm not shame myself. I'm ashamed about my leaders. Like you, when you have your father example, your parents, he act wrong way, is not like act like a gentle. They can bring children to be shame about her father, not her parents. When her parents they act like a gentle, they bring her children to be happy. Society to respect her parents and to respect her children. They make them happy. Today I hear interview to ABC. One man was doing an interview, premiers, oral premiers. This man to ABC, he been ask everybody question. And he ask women about distress, hanganga them herself. This woman answering a question, he said they have to first look overseas, like Korea. And he said they're very happy to be Australia. Yes, I believe you are very happy to be Australia. To think you are inside the government. And I believe to think you are very happy to think inside the government they do democracy to move someone or another one to come. And I'm a very shame to think you are not already you are inside the government, you don't have any rights you have. This is bring me to say, I'm a very shame to think you are not see this. Politicians, they not see this. They not see this. And I'm a very shame every to ask a politician a question. He shows them overseas. He can show them, he can tell them answering a question from here. Now this is my question, I ask you question. Are you very happy to see government and they have share to put women? This is my question I ask you. Are you very happy to see government they have share to pin men? Don't think they have share to women only. They have to share to women and men. Men, this money for men for women. Now they share this money for men to have share this to pin. And men pussy. He's saying this is a very happy. I never see countries they control like this. This is the martial law, not control, not culture. Are you very happy to see your sisters, your sisters, mothers, your daughters, to single government he have share to our pussy? This is my question I ask you question. This is the democracy. This is the party of democracy. People to be freedom to do what he wants to do. To decide what he wants to do. To be freedom. Now you are very happy to see you have democracy to be in the government. Outside you don't have democracy. Why me I'm talking, I'm very ashamed to see how you act, the politicians they act not see to rule, not to be honest. They're not honest. She look mistake. She don't want to talk, not to stop him to be in the government. And when you talk, they'll bring you to be in the government, I believe. This is why society, they vote you to be in the government, to go to fighting about them rights, to protect them our rights. Now you say you are very happy to be in the government, people to have distress, to hang them ourselves. You are very happy to see the raping women, to killing women. You are very happy to see family violence, to killing children, to killing women. You are very happy to see people, they have distress. You are very happy to see people, they hang them ourselves. I never been in a country like this. People, they hang them ourselves. Now, people, he raping a woman, he kill her. Family violence, killing women, killing children. I saw a lot of violence. They protect children. Women and men, they have violence. You'll find they protect children. Children not share this violence. Now me, why I think I feel shame to think you see like this rubbish, you don't want to protect them. We say you are very happy to be a politician, to be Australia, to abuse the society, these parties. This is my question. I ask you, you are very happy to see this rubbish? This is not courage. Don't tell me with the courage. No any culture. He wants to put her daughter to street, to sharing him this one, him to take money from her daughter. No any courage, I believe. No any culture he do this. I ask you a question. When your parents is not give you rights, you control your body, or you can get distress. You can get distress. I want answering me this question. Now you have to know, you government, you control longer way society they get distress. You control them like a slave. Slave not to give them rights. Now you want to be in the government, to have a good job, to put rules to them to get distress. Now you don't want to solve this distress. You think first they have to look overseas. I come from overseas. I come from overseas. How many people they go overseas Australia, they don't want to come back Australia. They want to stay Australia, to stay overseas. They run away control. They escape control. I remember John Howard, Mugabe was fighting with the white people. John Howard, he called them to come Australia. They say, no, we don't want to come to your country. They told him this. Put news, you're going to hear John Howard, he called them. White people. To Mugabe. He called them, they say, no, we don't want to come there. You don't want to come there, Australia. We'll be here. And when they change Mugabe, some they not go back. They not go back. Some they not go back and we go back. Don't say we were like Australia. Some they thinking when I get another country to live, I can live. When country they been free, everybody he go country, they say okay, sitting, stay here. I believe in Australia, Australia there's a lot of people they've been overseas. Let's see, rules visa permanent not easy for them. I talk with a lot of they've been overseas. When I come here, I meet a lot of people they've been in my country. They ask me why you come here. They say we waiting to get a pension. We'll go there. We'll stay there. We say you are lucky to be here. I never see any country they raping women, they kill him. I never see families they separate, they killing children, they killing women. I never see girl he hanganga him herself. I never see the straight like here. And I give you another way. I want you cut ticket now. You have your leaders go overseas. Go overseas. I never see women she sleep street. When you find a woman she sleep street, she's a mentor 100%. Now your country is this business society to control them, not to give them rights. I told you. Now, I want you to hear. I give you 4 countries only. Go Uganda in the street night. You are not going to find a woman she sleep street. Go Rwanda. You are not going. I give you poor country. Go Rwanda. You are not going to find a woman she sleep street. Go Tanzania. You are not going to get a woman she sleep street. Go Zaire. You are not going to get a woman she sleep street. When you get a woman, you'll find she wearing nothing. She's a mentor. This is you told me you are lucky to be Australia. Why I decided to answering you this. I want you from today, Abis, give him this my video, him to go overseas. This is I told him to go there to check to see if he'll find a woman she sleep street. Not when you find people normal we sleep street. Now if he's a man. I'm a very shame Prime Minister Scott Morrison is a parent. Is not act like a parent. Is I don't want to close with the parents. Is I don't want to listen to parents. When he was doing a campaign, he said, I talk with teenager. I never hear he said, I talk with the parents. We talking to protect her daughters. To think they can have rights. We talking to protect her granddaughter in the future. He's thinking this we fighting. Our children, our daughters, they're not going to face this problem. They're not going to dodge raping, killing them. When they dodge this, they're not going to dodge distress. When they dodge this, distress not hanging them herself, they share together. This is the same. This all the same. They're not going to share. They're not going miss to share this family violence. When they're not going to miss share property. Share property. This all we fighting, he have to know Ngusamu they help me. He have a good job, he make property, our daughters in the future to have a good life, our grandchildren to have a good life, and he don't understand this all. They bring them to, when they share property, they bring them this all problems. Is they don't want to close with us, is not, I don't want to support us, he support government to have share to pussy, government to have share to penny. Is I don't want to protect society, these parties. And already have children. I want him to look at Australia. Don't go anywhere. I know Australia you can be like a more to 10 prime ministers. Looking all family. When you find some family relative, they have this problem, you have to know when you own the future, your family, they have this problem. You have to know, my family, this family, they were the leaders, they have this stress, they have this violence, they have this problem. Now my family, they get this problem. You have to answering this question. Don't say, don't against us. You are your enemy. You are not your enemy. Society they are not revenge. Society they are not revenge. How they revenge Tony Abbott is the prime minister? How they do him? To abuse him in front her children. To abuse him in front of her wife. Not to respect him. You want to live with this control. Not to respect each other. You start to against us and we will know how to talk. When we talk on our business, come, be together to protect the economic. Be together to protect the economic. They start to attack us street. They start to attack inside the house. We fighting about you to have your rights. We protect you, your property to have rights, your grand, to start to go to your cemetery, to start to say, I go to my cemetery, my grandmother. Okay.